Now, I know that some people wouldn't like all that, but I thought it was brilliant. Anyway, we're quite near the railway station now, so we're going to have a walk down there and we find out that that's where the other ferry goes from. And here's the other terminus for the tram. Now, when getting on the ferry, I noticed some lads jumping over. Apparently I should have gone up a flight of stairs and on that way, but the ferry was about to leave and these men wouldn't let me jump until the ship had started. How they caught me I don't know, but anyway, I won't think too much about that. There's our last view of the cathedral. Seem to be doing a 3-point turn here. Now we're going that way. Well, I hope it's going to stop in time. Now it looks here as though the ship's going to take a big bite out of that bridge. But anyway, once we land, we need to catch a train back to the north, and we're going to stop off at Scylla on the way. Gotta get down, I suppose. I think the ramp's stuck. It's okay to come down now. And that's where I left on a few moments ago. And that's where I left on a few moments ago. We're in Scylla. Of Scylla and Charybdis fame. Set round here they call it Scylla. Now looking to the southwards, it's probably that point over there that caused all the trouble, and Charybdis is the other point over there that we've seen earlier. And look up there, another Puglia type cathedral. Right, well I think that's as near as we're going to get to the Castello today. Back in Lamezia it was really from the sublime to the ridiculous. I walked to the other end of the street from where the station is to find myself almost out in the country. And also that there'd been what I would describe as a minor road accident. I've never seen so many police attend such a minor accident, take so many measurements, and they were there ages. Eventually the chief of police came over to me and said if I took any pictures he'd make me an offer I couldn't refuse. Anyway, that's a picture of the station where we're back now at, and there's a picture of my hotel.